All right. So the biggest thing with fixing any concrete surface is how thick can you apply the patch. So that's one. That's usually a function of the type of concrete that you use. And two, and even more important, is it going to stick? In other words, adhesive layer. In construction, anything that is cured at different rate or different time forms cold joint. So if you're driving down the street and you see a pavement, usually there is a crack going between the two ongoing lanes. So your lanes and the opposite lanes have a crack in between them. And it's there because when they paved the road, they closed one side, paved it, and then they closed that side and move on to the next and paved that. So the two sides paved at different, cured at different rate, and that forms a cold joint. With road, it might not be such a big deal, although it's better to pave all four lanes both ways at the same time. Truthfully, they'll never break, actually, because there will be no cold joint. But it's not that such a big deal.